Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is my tie-dye look. I saw a few people doing this on Instagram and YouTube, so I attempted it on my own. Didn't come out quite the way I planned. In one eye I cut way higher. My left eye I always cut it higher than my right. No, my right eye I always cut it higher than my left, and I try not to, but it always happens that way. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And stay tuned. I hope you guys are being safe out there during this quarantine, and I'm hoping that it's going to be over next month. You see, my right eye is way higher than my left. I need to get some tape or something and measure across. So I'm going to take my LA Pro Concealer white base, and I'm going to use this to carve out my crease area. And I have my window open, so you might hear some background noise, but it is super hot. It's too hot to close it, I'm sorry. But I really wanted to get this video out for tomorrow. I'm just applying some additional so I can bring it down. I just wanted to know where I wanted it to go. Then I'm using a Wet n Wild concealer brush to blend it out. Then I'm going to take some Maybelline Master Fix translucent setting powder just to set that in place. Now the fun begins. So this is my Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette, and I'm going to be using this purple, this blue, the green, the pink, the orange, and the yellow. And I'm using paint brushes and really skinny eyeliner brushes. And I'm just going to create my shapes. And I also realized that when I was doing my right eye, I was supposed to go in the opposite direction than I did on my left. I mean, when I was doing my left eye, I was supposed to go in the opposite direction of my right. So some of the colors ended up getting messed up. But this is my first time ever attempting to do anything like this, and I think I did a pretty good job. And I wasn't sure if it looked like tie-dye when I was done, but it was very colorful, and I like colorful looks. And I'm just basically placing the colors where I want them to go, and then I'm going to go back into every color and blend it out and make sure that the colors are popping and intense and visible. And this is a process. It took me about, I want to say, 20 minutes per eye, maybe 15. But it was a process, as I did each eye separately instead of doing them together. As I recorded my eyes, so I knew which colors I was going to use. And then, I did one eye off camera, so I knew the colors I wanted to use, and then record. So I'm using paint brushes and eyeliner brushes, and then I have a smudge brush. These are the smallest brushes that I have. Trying to make them look as much the same as I can. Now I'm just going back into the colors that I already used. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Also hard to keep all the brushes together. Couple times I found myself grabbing the wrong brush. that had a different color on it already. And you just pretty much add colors until they're to your liking. You can use whatever colors you want. Then I took my Maybelline Master Precise Metallic Eyeliner in Amethyst for my wing, and then for my lower lash line, Maybelline Long Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in Silken Turquoise. And I'm taking the pink to smoke on my lower lash line, along with the purple. And then I'm taking the green. And the blue. Did my mascara at Thrive Cosmetics off camera, and then I'm gonna go in with the orange. Now I'm just taking my Sayate Eye Luster Cream Pigment and outlining the crease. And this is where I realized that I really made this one really higher. My left eye much higher than my right. And I was thinking about using some micellar water to fix it, but I was running out of time, and that's what I used to highlight my eye. Now I'm just taking my NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Lip Cream and Exposed. Then I'm just going to take some lip liner, dark brown, to line my lips because I forgot to do that first. And then I'm going to take some of this Milani lip gloss on top. I felt like doing a soft lip since my eye was already out there, but I normally like a more bold lip. Then I'm going to spray my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Yeah, I always get my left eye way higher than my right. I'm gonna have to practice that and try to get them more the same. If you guys have any tips on how to do that, please let me know. But I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Love you guys so much. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video, which will be a makeover that I did on my sister. Love you guys so much. Bye.